Okay, welcome back to Carl Outdoors, and we're at the lake, so we're gonna put the boat in. I'll just walk you through the boat here, and then we'll go off to figure out what we're gonna use here the next time we get back to you. So, okay. I always use waders because why would you get wet when you're in a dry boat? So. Go. Got the kids with me. That's Cameron. That's Shelby. So we'll go try and fill some walleye tags in Alberta. So next time we get back to you, we'll be in the boat fishing. So then we'll go through what we're using and hopefully we hook a few. I always use waders because why would you get wet when you're in a dry boat? So. Go. Got the kids with me. That's Cameron. That's Shelby. So we'll go try and fill some walleye tags in Alberta. So next time we get back to you, we'll be in the boat fishing. So then we'll go through what we're using and hopefully we hook a few. Okay, well, we're finally getting the camera going. Shelby's got a good walleye here. Oh yeah, look. Good netting, Cameron.
Oh, thanks.
Wasn't 2 minutes later and Cameron's got one. Is he big, Cameron?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that rod dive, eh? Nice. Shelby, are you ready with the net? Oh yeah, there it is. Don't pump them, it's steady pressure. Nice job, you guys. There we go. How big is he? Oh, it's got to be close to 50. Show us a picture here, Cameron. There we go. Yeah. Got another fish on here. Yeah, here we go. Good hook set. And we got some excitement now here. We got two pro fishermen here. There we go. Nice. There we go. Good netting job, Shelby. Can you manage it, or you want me to help you? Stand to the side, Cameron, so everybody can see. There you go. We'll see the surgery here by 2 teenage kids. We got a runaway fish. Nice. How big is that one? $49? How many inches is 49 centimeters? 49, 19 and a half. 19 and a half inches. I don't think these guys know what inches are. There we go. Good job, you guys. Good release. We got another couple rods here. We're starting to attract some attention here. We got sit back and rebait the hooks here and hook a couple more. We're starting to get some poofy rain clouds coming, so you always got to keep an eye on the weather. It's a pretty big lake, so it is supposed to rain today, so hi. Apparently they're doing surgery, trying to put a leech on a hook. Oh, no. With pliers. You didn't want to say, hey now? Hey, stop wiggling. Hey. Okay, well, we'll set these rods again and try and get some more footage for you. Alright, we got another one. It's already in the net. Comes straight up. It's almost like that one didn't fight. Angry walleye. There you go. Yeah, there's another nice one. Right on. Okay. Fishing again. Get everybody's rod back in the water and we'll get one more and I think we'll call her a day. The bite's on. You don't even need to jig your rod. Just put a jig on and let the wind blow the boat up and down, work your jig for you, and sit, relax, recline. Shelby's got a good walleye here. Oh yeah, look. Good netting, Cameron.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, we're gonna pose for a picture here. Somebody's scared of a walleye. There you go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, hold them sideways, Cameron. Okay, that's a 47 centimeter walleye. So Shelby caught that. Okay, well, we're finally getting the camera going. Shelby's got a good walleye here. Oh yeah, look. Good netting, Cameron.
Thanks.
As you can see, we've had a little bit of technical difficulties in this wind, but live well is we got 6 tagged walleye in this lake. We're slotted for class B and C. Cameron's got class C, and we have 6 walleye in the box. So somebody's going to be cleaning some fish here in a little bit. Shelby, smile for the camera. There you are. Cameron, good job. So, what's our tip for today, Cameron?
Wear polarized glasses.
There's a good one. Is everybody? Yeah, you need to see what when your fish is coming in, and if the fish spits your hook, you got glasses on in case the hook hits you in the face, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty windy, pretty tough to maneuver. We've been trolling a little bit. Right. So our day of fishing is over, so I guess we're gonna clean some fish here. Go over, I'll show you our box of giblets, our box of niblets, giblets. So we got the fish cleaning board set up. Right there. And froze a milk jug, get the water nice and cold. So you have 6 nice walleye in there. Okay, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. The camera's gonna suck, I know that. So, anyways, thanks for watching Carl's Outdoors.